This is just an update to the JDM ASTAR red LED 194 bulb that I was using for my tail lamp here. So unfortunately it's been more than a year and one of them started flickering. So this is the one that survived, but I'm taking it out because you can't find these on Amazon anymore, and it only lasted just more than a year. I think the issue is that it's got a lot of LEDs but not enough heat sink to disperse all this extra heat on here. You can sort of see there's like a weird discoloration on this as well, which is what happened on the other one, and then it started flickering. So I'm going to look at a replacement, but first, real quick note, I do recommend doing this yourself as well, is I keep extra bulbs, old-fashioned incandescents, in the car in case I have an issue with an LED so I don't get pulled over. Alright, so the two bulbs I'm looking at are the single LED VLEDs, because I have VLEDs on the front and I'm very happy with that. In fact, it has to share the housing with my HID bulb and it's surviving, no issues. And then we're going to test out the SYLVANIA ZEVO. It's also a single LED, but it's got this nice rounded top to disperse the light. So I would show you a comparison between this one and these, but that would not be fair because this one is already dim from basically day one. So I looked at the video where I first installed this and it was very bright, but right now it's very dim. It's still great at night, but during the day it's very, very dim. Alright, so let's go ahead. I'm going to put the VLEDs on the driver's side and the SYLVANIA on the passenger side, and we'll see which one looks better. Okay, so here's the VLEDs, and it looks to be about the same brightness as the SYLVANIA. It's kind of hard to tell because this one's dispersing the light and this one has it focused, but when I'm looking at them not through the camera lens, they look to be about the same. Alright, so now let's go ahead and install these into the housing, and then we'll see what it looks like from behind the car. So I can tell that the VLEDs on the driver's side here, while it's very bright, does not seem to disperse the light as well. I think that the JDM ASTAR did a slightly better job, but it also had all those LEDs on it. But this is not bad. But if you come over here and you look at the SYLVANIA, because of the top on there, it disperses the light a lot better, so you get a more of a ring effect. Now, you won't be able to really tell at night, but during the day you can definitely tell that that looks like a more full ring than this side does. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put my vote in on the SYLVANIA. They're a clear winner in this case. I'm hoping that they'll hold up as well. Of course, if they fail prematurely or anything like that, I will do an update video for that. Thanks for watching.